Hey guys, if you guys ever wanted to try Noteful before maybe purchasing the premium, even though it's cheaper than GoodNktes, I'm going to show you a quick way to take maybe a spread that you already have and move it over to Noteful so that you can use Noteful and try it and see if you like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spread that's already created in GoodNktes, and I'm basically just going to take the same exact spread and make it over in GoodNktes. Let me show you. I mean in Noteful, I'm sorry. Let me show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to basically duplicate this page so that I can use it as a sticker, and I am going to grab it and bring it over to Noteful and make it fit the page. All you do is stretch it out until it covers the page. And then from there, I am going to go here and then I'm going to move it to my paper layer. Now that's the other thing you want to have. You want to have at least 3 layers. The paper layer, the stickers layer, and what I call the planning layer, which is where I'm going to write everything in my planner. The paper layer I have locked. You can unlock and lock it right here in this section. On the side, you have the option to lock and unlock. The reason I lock it is because I don't want it to move. So now that page that I put on there is locked in place and it's not gonna move when I move over the stickers, okay? So then I'm gonna go back into that spread that I'm recreating, and I'm literally just gonna tap on each sticker and bring it over. Size it and make it fit where I want. Now, I will tell you the one feature that I do not like is that if you notice, if I fit the screen on the GoodNktes page, I definitely use more of the size of the iPad. I don't like the fact that in order for me to see it, I have to basically zoom in on the Noteful side to be able to see. And then if I go to the fit mode, I still feel like I have too much on the top and the bottom. That's something I'm still trying to get over, but it is what it is. Then I'm going to bring over the other sticker. And then just make sure that it's the same exact size. And then I'm going to place it the same way. Bring over the date dot. Make it look exactly the same. Place it where I need. Now, bringing over certain stickers, just so you know, if I bring over this together, it does come over as one sticker. And that means I can't separate it. So if I want to be able to separate it later, I need to bring over one by one. Unfortunately, we need to bring over one by one if you want to be able to use them as a sticker. Or you can bring it together, and then when you do want to separate it, you can always copy and crop. But for now, I'm just going to bring it over like that. And you're basically going to make sure that it looks almost identical. And there you go. I just basically recreated the same spread. And again, for size purposes, it's just annoying to me that in order for me to see the whole page on Noteful, I have all that on top and the bottom. That's just me. It might not be a big deal for some of you guys, but it bothers me for some reason. It does. And now that I have all the stickers there, I go back to my layers to make sure all my stickers are on the sticker layer, my paper is on the paper layer. And if I wanted to type something in, I just move myself over to the planning layer so that I can basically type. And I can go ahead, add a text box in here, and then start typing basically. Text box. and then you tap to insert, and then you can type in whatever you want. So I can write something like fold laundry, and then it just kind of goes over. So that's just a quick tutorial if you wanted to try out Noteful and see how you like it. Any questions or comments though, or if you have a shortcut to this, drop it below. Bye.